Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set daily reminders on your iPhone. It's quick, easy, and super helpful. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Reminders app. You'll see a plus icon at the bottom left. Go ahead and tap that to create a new reminder. Now you'll see a text field where you can enter the title. Let's type something like meeting. Right below that, there's space to add a description if you want. I'll type meeting with a friends. Once that's done, now see a detail in the bottom of description. Tap on it. And now you can choose a specific date and time. I'll select today's date and set the time for 10 p.m. Now to make sure this reminder repeats every day, tap on the option that says repeat. From the list that appears, choose daily. That's it. You've just created a reminder that will notify you every single day at 10 p.m. When you're finished, tap add at the top right corner and your daily reminder is set. If this was helpful, give the video a like and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips. Got a question or something you'd like to see next? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.